It looks like some wintry weather and some wind on the way as we head through the next couple of days. I know you're here for the briefing, so let's get into it. Watch this morning's advisories. We issued some of these this morning. You can see winter storm warnings, basically Yellowstone down toward the Southern Wyoming range, includes the Jackson Valley, Jackson, as well as Afton, Alpine as well. Also Pinedale with a winter storm warning. Now the areas around it, these are winter weather advisories, the areas in the purple. The Zurich also includes Big Piney, Farson down here toward Kemmerer as well, Cokeville as well. Now the one over here across Johnson County, that's for early this morning. After about 7 or 8, we should see the snow begin to end as we head toward that area, so this will probably be canceled. And the one other thing to notice right here, Jefferson City over toward Casper, it's a high wind watch for tomorrow. You want to start and end times on those, just go to our website, weather.gov/RIW. Now we'll start by focusing on the winds, so that'll be more widespread than the snow. Highest wind gusts where you'd expect, where we have those washing effect. This week, Jefferson City to Casper, wind gusts to 50, 60 miles per hour here, but just about everybody can see gusts to 30, 40 miles per hour with this. In other areas where they could maybe see high wind gusts, they had a lot of confidence to put out any kind of watches this morning, but places like Lander, I think, and Du Bois as well could be wind gusts 40, 50. This might be low. That might need to be maybe 40 to 50 miles per hour there. Also, even across the west, 35 in the Jackson Valley, higher across the mountains, obviously. And one more thing to notice here as well. If those winds come in and that warmer air comes in, we could see some pretty good snow melt. Temperatures warm up enough. Now, it's not going to last a long time, but there could be enough snow melt to maybe raise some of those rivers and creeks just a little bit. Again, not a huge likelihood of a lot of flooding. Just want to let you know, because we get toward Friday night, it'll cool below freezing again. And the snow melt should end at that point. Now, looking across the west, where the main snow will be tonight, evening hours should be we should be fine if you want to get stuff done. Snow will come in after midnight, between about 1 and 5 o'clock. The snow will be ongoing heavy at times as we head towards Friday morning. Now, on Friday afternoon, the difference with this storm is we have a little bit warmer air coming in. We're heading into March, so the sun angle's a little stronger. So warm air will be going up in the 30s, so the snow may mix with or change to rain across the valleys, especially the Star Valley. Even the Jackson Valley could see it mix with or change to rain in the lower elevations for a while. Strong gusty winds continuing, but all that will change back over to snow during the evening hours on Friday night before it ends after midnight. Now, next thing you're wondering, obviously, how much snow are we going to get? Let's start with the probabilistic stuff. I'd say expect at least this much across the area, 4 to 6 inches across the valleys down here out west, 1 to 3 across the Green River Basin. Tetons, I'd say Wind Rivers, southwest Yellowstone, you're going to get at least a foot out of this probably, 1 to 3 around Cokeville. And east of the Divide, we're not going to see much snow out of this. There could be a few snow showers, but the pattern, the strong downsloping flow just doesn't fit us, except for maybe the bighorns. Now, the maximum amount we're likely to get, you see maybe locally up to 2 feet across the higher elevations of the Wind River Range, also the Salts, Tetons up towards southwest Yellowstone, maybe up to a foot across the valleys, if things set up right across the western valleys, 4 to 8 across the Green River Basin with the higher amounts toward Pinedale and Bondurant, 4 to 6 around the Cokeville-Kemmerer area, maybe an inch across the Sweetwater County, across the I-80 corridor. Could be some snow showers, maybe around Lander if they can spill over the top of the mountain. Maybe up to 3 inches across portions of the Bighorns. Most of the rest of us, maybe just a dusting if we're lucky. Just not a lot of snow out of this for the rest of us. And our most likely snowfall across the area, a little discombobulated here. It's early in the morning. Give me a break, okay? You see, most likely about 8 to 12 inches across the western valley, 6 to 8 around Pinedale, 3 to 4 around the Big Piney down toward Farson as well. Also 3 to 4 a popular number around Kemmerer, 8 to 12 around Lake Yellowstone, more as you head southward. Now east of the Divide, we're not looking at a lot, except maybe up here across the Bighorn Range, maybe 3 to 4 inches there. Maybe a dusting to an inch across Interstate 80. Here's our resources. You want weather, you know where to go, weather.gov/RIW. For road conditions, again, don't call us for road conditions, go right to WYDOT. That's where we get it from. Wyroad.info if you want to get on the web. If you want to do it the old-fashioned way, call them on the phone, like this. I guess it's like this now with the cell phones, though. Well, it should be. 511 in-state, 188 Wyoming Road out-of-state. You want to take a look at those webcams. A lot of people like this page. Just go to our homepage, click on our local programs tab, go to webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Enjoy your day.